vulnerability and strength. So we get told a lot that these two things go together, but in my experience, both personally and when I see others stretching in or stepping into vulnerability, it doesn't feel like strength at all. In fact, I personally find that I want to grab hold of as much strength as I could possibly grab to try and be vulnerable. But when we are being vulnerable, we describe it like that, like it's hard and it's something we'd prefer not to be doing, and oh, do I have to? Because of our emotional filters. But if we flip that for a moment, what do others see when we are vulnerable? They see strength of character, they see resilience, and they see someone stepping and leaning in